Alright, here's a video of the dogs hanging out. There's Jasmine and Luna, and they like to play excessively. And there's George, he plays too. And there's Cinnamon. She kind of referees everybody. Plays sometimes, not that much. I'm not sure why. There they are, they're playing. George, go play. George, come on, play. Here we go. There they all are. We're just missing Belle, but she's asleep in the bathroom as usual. Her favorite sleeping place. Come on, guys, run around. Do some running. Here's my bub. Chillin'. Oh, they're playing again. Oh, they're all playing. This is nice. That was probably Luna. She's very vocal. George is pretty quiet. He doesn't realize he's bigger than the rest and could do more damage. Probably a good thing. Ooh, here we go. Maybe he is being a little vocal, but not like Luna. Oh. There's a vocal dog. That dog is garbage. Hey! That happens a lot. And then they'll just keep playing. It's like they don't learn. They're dogs. Jasmine, look! What are you looking at, Cinnamon? Oh, there's a cat. There's a cat. Checking out the cat. She can't handle cats. Cinnamon, stop! And then Luna, of course, will just start barking just for the hell of it. She doesn't even know what she's barking at. That's what she does. Jason, that's annoying. George gets real vocal at night because that's when a lot of people are walking by. A lot of the locals, and he doesn't like that too much. Jasmine, I guess she's pretty benign, except she likes to chew a lot of stuff. And then Cinnamon is perfect. And that's all I got to say.